Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video for you to be careful with these things. Let's see, they brought us a car, a Fiat Stilo. There you see the wheel. That the owner had the scare of his life. What has happened to him? Well, his car has gone on a curve and has invaded the opposite lane. A truck was coming and the truck could not stop. But he was able to avoid it. That is, the thing could have ended very badly, but the owner of the car has been our client for years, and I have also spent years telling him to change those tires. Those tires still have some tread and of course, they pass them. Oh. But the problem is that, as you can see there, they are as hard as stones. Because these tires are already many years old. Look, there you are going to see manufactured. When you see these numbers, it means manufactured in week 32 of the year 2013. Notice, we are in the 2022. You see all the cracks and everything they have because they are already dry and hard. I have years telling the owner to change them because one day he is going to have a scare, and that day was yesterday, that he already had the scare, and of course, this scare could have been the last scare he had in his life, and now he says yes, that we now have to change the 4 tires. That is, don't wait for this, okay? Be very careful with these things. Well, here I leave you this video. If it has been useful to you, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.